Hey guys, welcome back here. So if you're new here, I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So let's get into today's video. I'm gonna style this white shirt which I'm wearing, and I'm gonna style it in 4 ways in this video. And this shirt has basically lace detail in it, which makes it more playful and vibrant. So without further ado, let's get to the first look. So guys, as you have seen this in this look, what I did is I wore the same shirt with a high-waisted jeans, and to create a V neckline, I folded the neck of the shirt in this way. I folded it inside so that I opened two buttons in the top, and then I folded it inside so that it stays in place. You can basically use safety pins, or you can use double tape, whatever method is it works for you. So create a V neckline, and then it gives you a little bit room to play with accessories. So I added a silver color accessory here. It looks really pretty. Silver and white goes well together. So this is about the first look. Let's get into another look. So guys, for this look, I wore the shirt with a maroon palazzo. It is a really lengthy palazzo, so I wore it as a high-waisted, in high-waisted style. And the shirt is also long, so I opened a couple of buttons in the down, and then I added a knot like this. If you like, you can adjust the length of the shirt as per your own choice, as per your own comfort. You can just open couple of buttons and tie a knot like this, and then you can even hide the knot under the shirt if you like. So by this way you can adjust the length of the shirt so it looks appropriate for wide leg pants. So let's get into another look. So guys, for this look, I wore the white shirt with a black skirt, as the outfit was monochrome. So to break the monotony, I added a colorful accessory. I added colorful stone accessory to it, and it really looked nice. This look can be it can be worn in parties, official gatherings, or wherever there's a formal gathering. So this look is appropriate for that. So let's get into another look. So I hope you liked all the looks, and if you like it, give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification for further updates. So thank you guys, stay safe and stay fashionable.